Dr.P.Meenakshi, Assistant Professor of Geography, Nirmala College for Women. In this video, we are going to see about the equatorial regions and its importance to the planet Earth. Equatorial regions are the narrow strip of land located between 0 to 10 degree north and south on either side of the equator. It is found only in 3 continents, namely South America, Africa and Asia. This region covers about 6% of the Earth's surface. Though this region covers small stretch of Earth's surface, it has ecological and economic significance for the entire Earth. Equatorial regions can be classified into 2 types, such as Amazon or lowland type, Malay or mountainous types based on its location. Amazon Basin, Guyana coastal lands, Congo Basin, East African coastal lands belong to lowland type, whereas southern part of Malaysia, islands of Singapore and Indonesia belongs to the Malay type or mountainous type, and these mountainous type of regions enjoys a distinctively cooler climate than the lowland climate of the equatorial region. The equatorial region experiences hot, wet and humid climate. The climate may be attributed to its locational factor because of its proximity to the sun. This region experiences high temperature, heavy rainfall and high humidity. The most outstanding feature of the equatorial climate is its great uniformity of temperature throughout the year. The sun's rays fall vertically or perpendicularly throughout the year, which result in high sunshine. The midday sun is almost overhead throughout the year, and there is little variation between the length of the day and night during the year. The mean monthly temperature is always around 24 to 27 degrees Celsius with very little variation. The mornings in the region are bright and sunny. Rainfall is convectional type and occurs mainly in the late afternoons. Rainfall in this region is heavy throughout the year and occurs as cloudburst accompanied by lightning and thunder. Annual rainfall is 2500 millimeters. Maximum rainfall occurs at equinoxes and least rainfall is recorded at solstices. Average humidity is 80% and sometimes it may reach up to 90%. Equatorial climate is characterized by fairly large amount of cloudiness throughout the year. Generally, cumulus type of clouds dominates daily weather condition. The regularity of the same weather condition means there are no seasons, neither cold nor hot or rainy season. January is like July and July appears as soon as December. The 4 seasons of temperate and 3 seasons of monsoon regions are unknown to the people of this region. The abundant sunshine, continuous supply of moisture favors the growth of dense, luxuriant vegetation called as rainforest. Vegetation is evergreen in nature since there is no drought or severe frozen cold to check the growth. A special term called selvas is used by the people of Amazon Basin to call this dense forest. The forest is so dense that it will take 8 minutes for a raindrop to reach the ground surface. There is no single season of shedding leaves or common period of flowering. Each plant follows its own cycle of life, so at any time of the year there may be trees bearing fruit, others in flowering stage shedding their leaves and others growing new leaves. The climatic conditions supports the growth of numerous type of vegetation. This region is said to be the genetic reservoir of numerous species, as well as it is one of the oldest living ecosystems of the planet Earth. The number of tree species is so large and their diversity is so great that 1 hectare of land in the equatorial region accounts for 40 to 100 species. It may be pointed out that 90% of the world's species are found in the tropical evergreen forest. The diversity of the vegetation ranges from evergreen trees to climbing plants like lianas as well as epiphytic and parasitic plants. One of the distinctive features is the arrangement of vegetation in vertical layers. The struggle for sunlight among the vegetation of the region results in distinctive layer arrangement. The uppermost emergent layer is made up of crowns of tallest trees and their crowns are exposed to direct sunlight. Below the emergent is canopy layer, a dense ceiling of leaves and tree branches formed by closely spaced forest trees. Below the canopy is the understory layer, is a low light layer dominated by shorter plants with broader leaves such as palms and philodendrons. The shrub layer has the densest plant growth. It contains shrubs and ferns and other plants needing less sunlight. Coming to the human-nature interaction, the equatorial region are generally sparsely populated except in the Southeast Asian region. The people are mostly nomadic in nature and practices shifting cultivation, but later on, with the introduction of transport and communication, life of the people in the equatorial region is slowly changing. They started practicing commercial agriculture, mainly started cultivating single cash crops like rice, citrus, tea, soya beans. In the Amazon basin, people also grow manioc and cassava. The commercial agriculture is also practiced in the form of large plantations of coffee, rubber, banana, palm oil, etc. It is estimated that a large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin, mainly because of the commercial cultivation activities. It is estimated that large area of the rainforest has been disappearing annually in the Amazon basin. Tropical rainforests are being destroyed at the rate of at least 8 million hectares or 31,000 square kilometers per year. The soil has become already fragile and easily it has been cleared away from its places. The climate of the area becomes drier with the loss of vegetation acting as a sponge to hold on to the moisture. Even though it occupies only 6% of the Earth's surface, it plays very important role in the life of mankind. They stabilize the world climate and are essential in providing numerous ecosystem services. It also helps to maintain world's water cycle by adding water to the atmosphere through the process of transpiration, which creates clouds. Water generated in rainforest travel around the world. Scientists think that moisture generated in the forest of Africa ends up falling as rain in the American continent. Tropical rainforests contain over 30 million species of plants and animals. That's half of the Earth's wildlife and at least 2/3 of its plant species. It is also called as lungs of the planet for their role in absorbing carbon dioxide, a greenhouse gas, and increasing local humidity. It also plays a main role in protecting against flood, drought, and soil erosion. And much of the medicines for the world's deadly diseases are acquired from the equatorial rainforest. While rainforest may seem like a distant concern, these ecosystems are critically important for the continuous survival of human beings. Hope you understood about the importance of equatorial region to the planet Earth from the video. Thank you for watching it.